In front of me is Wieppo S5, and let me show you how to activate automatic system updates. First of all, you have to open the list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Here locate and open About Phone, so it's the very last tab, and here you have to go to build number and click on it 7 times. And as you can see, now you're a developer. So let's go back, and right here developer options appeared. You have to reach them, just click on it to open, scroll down a bit, and here you will notice automatic system updates. So as you can see, they are currently active, but once it's deactivated, smoothly click on the switcher to activate automatic system updates. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.